You've got your eye on the ideal LG washer and dryer, but before you finalize your purchase, let's make sure the pair will fit in your space and that you'll have everything you need to get them up and running. Start by walking the path your appliance will take when it's delivered, from the delivery truck all the way to where it'll be placed. Make sure there'll be enough room to move it around corners, up or down staircases, and through doorways. Now let's make sure the appliances will fit your space properly with no obstacles. On the LG website, you'll find a convenient measurement tool to guide you through the process. It's a good idea to review it and have it on hand before you start. First, make sure there's space behind them for the necessary hoses and vents, and room in front for the doors to open freely. Then, measure the width of the space in a few spots from top to bottom, and write down the smallest measurement. Again, refer to the LG measurement tool for important tips. If you'll have a stackable washer and dryer, carefully measure the height of the space they'll occupy. Consider the sleek LG Wash Tower, combining the power and care of an LG washer and dryer in one space-saving design. With easy-to-access controls, it fits where traditional stackables won't, giving you more room and flexibility to upgrade your laundry area. If you'll use a top-loading washer, make sure there's ample space up above for the door to open without hitting any cabinets or shelves. Next, consider which way you'll need the appliance doors to open, to the right or the left. In some cases, this may require reorienting the doors during installation, which takes some time. Be sure to let your salesperson know so they can properly plan for the amount of time required to address the doors during installation. You'll also need to determine whether you need a gas or an electric dryer. If you're not sure, check the back of your existing dryer. An electric dryer uses an oversized 240-volt AC plug, but a gas dryer uses a standard-sized 3-prong household plug. Consider a heat pump or ventless dryer, which uses a 240-volt plug and up to 65% less energy than a traditional electric dryer. With no need for external venting, it offers more flexibility in placement. Most new units do not come with the hoses included, so make sure you've got sturdy water hoses for the washing machine and an appropriate vent hose and clamps for the dryer. These can be purchased separately. One last tip. It's a great idea to take a picture of the back of your current dryer and show it to the salesperson at the store. They can confirm whether you need a gas or an electric dryer, and can also help you with any hoses and hardware you'll need. Now, bring your measurements and any pictures to the store and make sure your chosen appliances will fit just right.